Shalom everyone, Ate once again. For today's vlog, request ulit ito ni Miss Rosario Lynn Nieto. Sabi niya, wala pa raw akong vlog ng nagulat or to panic. In Hebrew, lihi bahel. Again, pag-aaralan natin kung paano natin ito sasabihin kapag present tense, past tense, and future tense according to the gender. Okay guys, bon natkel. To panic, in Hebrew, lihi bahel. Present tense, panic. For masculine, singular, nivhal. Ani, nivhal. Ata, nivhal. Hu, nivhal. Present tense, panic. For feminine, singular, nivhelet. Ani, nivhelet. At, nivhelet. He, nivhelet. Present tense, panic. For masculine, plural, or mixed gender, nivhalem. Anachno, nivhalem. Atem, nivhalem. Hem, nivhalem. Present tense, panic. For feminine, plural, nivhalot. Anachno, nivhalot. Aten, nivhalot. Hen, nivhalot. Okay guys, for past tense, panic. Nivhalti. Nivhalta. Nivhalt. Nivhal. Nivhala. Nivhalno. Nivhaltem. Nivhalten. Nivhalu. Nivhalu. Okay, now paano naman natin ito sasabihin kapag future tense? For future tense, will panic. Ani, ebahel. Ata, tibahel. At, tibahali. Hu, yibahel. Hi, tibahel. Anachno, nibahel. Atem, tibahalu. Aten, tibahalna. Hem, yibahalu. Hen, tibahalna. Okay guys, ito naman ang imperative or ang command ng panic. Imperative, panic. For masculine, singular, hibahel. Imperative, panic. For feminine, singular, hibaheli. Imperative, panic. For masculine, plural, hibahalu. Imperative, panic. For feminine, plural, hibahalna. Okay guys, this is the end for today's vlog at sana nag-enjoy kayo sa panibagong verb na inyong natutunan. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong manotify kapag may bagong upload na videos. Hamon-hamon to dali kulkem. See you on my next vlog. Lihi traot.